I'm Melody Mooney, and today I'm giving you some tips on how to fold. And I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin really cute so you can use it for a party or something like that. So, here we go. Get your napkin out, standard size napkin, and what I'm going to do is fold it vertically, like so, and then twice horizontally. Okay, 1 and 2. Now I'm going to flip it over. Great. And I'm going to take the right side and I'm going to tuck it into the left side as far as it will go with still looking presentable. Okay, now for the silverware. I put in my fork, my spoon, and my knife. And look at that. Isn't it totally cute? A little pocket for your silverware. You can use it for a dinner party or something fun. Okay, and that is one way to fold a napkin.